Hey guys, today's a really cool event. We're here in participation with a couple of really cool charities, also obviously with BioXcellerator, and on behalf of some BioXcellerator patients who are giving away a ton of bikes to these kids, plus helmets and all sorts of great stuff. They want to remain anonymous, but big shout out to them. Also, we've got some great guys like Jorge Masvidal here to teach the kids some sparring.
Seminar. I'm giving out all the wisdom, everything I've acquired throughout the years to these kids because I love fighting, and if my wisdom could help one of these guys come out of where they're at and go to the next level, would be the biggest accomplishment I could do in life, man. I was handed down these techniques by like great people too that showed me these techniques, and it's fucking an amazing thing. It's a full circle thing, you know. You wouldn't understand unless you do it.
Yo, we've got the Marley family showing some love to the BioX family. Here to give away some bikes for the Communa kids.
Always a good thing when you can help out the kids. Anything for the children, you know what I'm saying?
¿Cómo está? ¿Bien o no? Bicicleta, listo. Hola.
That's good.
Special thanks to the great BioXcellerator staff and David from Medellin is my Communa, and Solutions for a Healthier World Foundation.